Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Hey traders, over the last 15 years, we've tested 64 different trading courses and we have put the most powerful systems and trading techniques that we've discovered in this brand new trading course. And for a limited time, I'm giving away free access. So go to johnsfreegift.com. That's johnsfreegift.com or click on the very first link in the description to get free access to this brand new trading course right now. Alrighty traders, so one thing I want to do in this video, I try not to bring other people onto my channel in like talking about them, but I really have seen this quite a lot lately, and for you guys that have followed Polny for quite some time, then you'll know exactly what I'm about to bring up here. So I did a video last week and I talked about this will surprise everyone, okay? And I actually talked about, this video here really talks about the actual silver and gold market and it being bullish. But the thing about it is that I actually got a comment here, okay? And he says, what's the truth? But Bo Polny said it's going to crash this year. Bo Polny's been saying the market's going to crash every month for the last 5 years. Do you not agree with the great Bo Polny? Here is the thing. What's the truth? If you want to know what the truth is in the market, is that you just got to understand and study the market. There is no one thing. There is no one thing that is going to tell us that the market is going to crash this year. Like, no, the market will not crash this year, right? Because why? What is a crash? A crash 2008 was 2008. If you want to know what the truth is, what was 2008? It was the entire 2008 and then into the middle of 2009. So that thing lasted almost 2 years because it started in the middle of 2007 and ended in the middle of 2009. So what's the truth? The truth is this. Guess what? The truth is that yes, we will see a crash. Yes, we may be forming a top right now. No, the market's not going to crash this year. Which means if you think, well, what do you mean? What do you mean by a crash? Are you saying that we're going to get a 50% crash this year? No, that's not going to happen, right? Not going to happen. No, not when we're going through what we're seeing right now. Yes, we may be forming one final blow-off top as we speak right now in the Dow Jones. And if I look at the S&P 500, the Dow Jones, and I squeeze this up here, yes, we may be going through that. We may not be. We may be getting ready for another 12-month bull run in the markets before we see the downturn. So what you want to do is you want to focus on the market because the market is always right. It's not us. It's always the market that's always right, which means just focusing on the stuff. Now, what's the truth? If you focused on some of the other videos I've talked about, then you'll know what I'm talking about, which means just reading the charts, the peaks and troughs, stuff like that. You'll be able to see that. So no, I do not, and no, there will not be there may be there may be a significant downturn. 5%, maybe a down 10% move in the markets. But when you're talking about like a crash, a 30, 40, 50% crash, 60, 70%, that kind of crash, that takes time in the markets for that to happen, okay? So what's the truth? If you want to know the truth, but if you want to know the actual truth, don't focus on someone who's been calling the crash every single month and been calculating. Like, I don't know. I don't follow Bo. No, I haven't done for many years because the fact of the matter is that he doesn't know when the exact high, when the exact low is, right? So I think if you follow someone's analysis to say that the market is going to crash when it's been going up for 10 years and it's been going up all year, who says it's going to stop going up? I don't know. You don't know. He doesn't know. So the fact of the matter is, if you want to know the truth, is that that's the truth in the markets. And if you want to know the truth, you study history of what happens in bear markets when the market starts to turn. In fact, if you want to know the truth, is that there's plenty of stocks that are in the Dow Jones, in the S&P 500 that are already in multiple year bear markets. Just that it's been going down and down and down and down. So they're in a technical crash, right? They're in the market. Their stocks are already in a crash right now. So is the crash already started? So some stocks are going down, some stocks are going up, right? Now, if the market crashes, does it mean all stocks are going to go down? No. We may get silver and gold stocks completely going up. There may be a basket of stocks, and I guarantee you this is going to happen. That even if the stock market does retrace 80%, there's going to be a small percent of baskets of stocks in the S&P 500. They're going to define all odds and be in a big bull market as the S&P 500 is going down. So, no, the market is not going to crash this year. We may see a retracement of 5%, maybe 10% in the markets. Yeah, that may happen, but not a complete 50 or 60%. No, that takes time. And the market will start to tell us when we're starting to form a top in the market, which means what I'm talking about is that not predicting or trying to get the exact high in the markets or the exact low in the markets. No. Because I've been seeing some people sending me stuff over the last couple months. If you know Bo Polny, he's been saying the market's going to go down for quite some time. In fact, he's been saying the market was going to, on the S&P 500, he said the market was going to crash. Anyway, you know what I'm talking about, right? It's like, no, Bo doesn't know nothing. I don't know nothing. That's the truth. It's like, it's not me, it's the market. Listen to the market and stop trying to predict the exact high and the exact low. And one of the worst things that the average trader can do is start to, and I know people do this because I've heard people do it, is start to pile on, because Bo Polny does these videos and makes these amazing soundtracks and whoa, and he really pulls you in on emotions. Like, he's really good at doing these videos. I just click the record button and then what you see is what you get. There's no real fancy graphics here. I don't know how to do that sort of shit. I just know how to put the Camtasia thing on and click record and then do my thing, right? But as you can see, right, like, this is the truth in the market. So if you are watching this and you're one of those people that are thinking about loading up on the short because he makes it sound so like this is definitely going to happen, no, because it's the worst thing that you can do. Put it this way, Ray Dalio, who makes his money not out of investing, but out of doing subscriptions and stuff like that. Yes, he may make some money in silver and gold and stuff like that. If you actually look at what Ray Dalio, the largest hedge fund manager in the world, when you look at all his positions that he's got, right? So he's got a diverse portfolio, but what is his largest position in his portfolio right now? It's what? It's long the S&P 500. And not only is it long the S&P 500, but he's long other stocks. You'd have to say I'd have to say, well, 20% of his portfolio is long just the SPY. And then he's long all these other stocks. So I'd have to say at least 30, maybe 40% of his portfolio is still long the market this day. So who would you want to be following? Someone who is still long this day, who is a multi-billionaire through investing? Or some other guy who says the market's going to crash? Because, guys, my YouTube channel is never about me being right. It's about, okay, Marco, you tell me. You tell me what's going on. And I just focus on the truth, because guess what? The truth will set you free. First, it'll piss you off, and hopefully, what's the truth, right? The truth is that it'll piss you off, and then it'll set you free, because that's just the way it is. And the market will continue to go up longer than anyone thinks is possible. And then once it gets everyone saying, man, this thing will never go down, that's when it will go down. So be careful about listening to that. Not even me, right? It's like I am not the priest or the know-all, or I know exactly when the high is. No one does, right? No one does. Not even the most successful investors of all time do. They just sort of follow along with the markets there, okay? So be careful of listening to Bo, because he does do really good videos, and he brings in such an emotional charge to it that it sounds like this is definitely going to happen, and it's doing people a dissatisfaction in the markets. Hey traders, John Howell here. Thanks for watching my video. For a limited time only, I am giving away free access to my brand new trading course. I've put all my most powerful systems, strategies, and trading techniques that I've learned over the last 15 years and put it in this course, and I'm giving it away for free for a limited time. See, in this brand new Guide to the Markets by the Boys trading course, and you can get it when you go to johnsfreegift.com, you're going to learn, firstly, you're going to get access to a brand new training course for 90 minutes, and you're going to learn all the details step by step to my #1 trading system with over a 90% success rate that works on any market and any time frame. You're also going to learn 3 powerful chart reading and trading techniques. You're also going to learn 2 more powerful trading systems, and also you're going to learn 7-figure trading secrets, mindset techniques, and so much more. There's top 13 mistakes you're going to learn, the 10K per month formula, and so much more. No, this is not a get rich quick scheme, but if you are struggling with your trading right now and you need help, then for a limited time, you can get free access to this. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now, or click on the very first thing in the description, because for a limited time, I'm giving away. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now and start getting access to this full complete trading course, plus also the free training with my #1 trading system with over 90% success rate. Go to that right now, and I'll see you on the next page.